Spooky2 GeneratorX Pro Introduction, Portable and Customized Frequency Healing. Key Feature 1, 60,000 plus free frequency programs. Spooky2's database includes over 60,000 plus free frequency programs, covering everything from chronic conditions to emotional support. Just search, select, and heal. Key Feature 2, finds the best frequencies for your body. With just a few drops of saliva, GeneratorX Pro performs a biofeedback scan in 8 minutes. It automatically finds and runs the most relevant frequencies for your body.
I think one of the greatest things about Spooky is that if you have a Gen X or maybe a Pro, lucky you can also use it for scans. And especially the high frequency scan has made a huge difference on my health and of the people around me. So I'm a huge fan of that because that's where a lot of pathogens are in your body. So if you scan it there, it will find the loudest, it will find the pathogens that are most important, and then you are able to make a program with the frequencies that the scan has found.
Feature 3, run standalone without a computer. Store up to 30 customized programs on your GeneratorX Pro and run them anytime, no computer needed. Just press, select, and let the healing begin. Feature 4, Detox and healing at the same time. The dual-channel output allows you to run detox and healing programs at the same time, helping your body eliminate unwanted toxins while supporting its natural recovery process.